So people there in the onion farm, they are walk go across now. You see what I go on. What is what, you know? Yeah, as you can see now, the whole across over there, so see your onion, you know? And them things they come across. And some more plant near behind me. And one more plant tree there. That one is big. That one is pass up papes. Yeah man, it's so big. Huge. You can switch out them. I'm line it out, the irrigation system. The irrigation system look nice, my people. Yeah. The whole of this where we are walk through is a onion field. Go straight back. You know? Out in center man. And we have cassava. How them there? Oh yeah, cassava the further up. Yeah man, we have cassava further up and we have more planting on tree there, peeps. Yeah man. But the sky look dark behind people look back the mountain back of me up there, sir. You see back of me up there, sir? Be rain. Rain. So we want to try to wrap up this fast, you know. And then, you know? Yeah.
Daddy the Explorer. Hold on. Active.
That is it.
Hello, we came right to you.
That is it outside, man. So we're up on the onion farm, peeps. We're release there.
Yeah, I want to see now. I want to watch it.
Yeah, when I pump, irrigation system. We like irrigation system, though.
It's so huge.
You think you could have maintained this scale?
Yeah.
Yeah, once you have to do it, I keep it clean, keep breathing,
Yeah.
water pumping.
Mm-hmm.
They're good to go out there, explore and see.
That looks cool. Okay, up there looks like 724 feet, and over there is like 54 feet. It could be wrong.
Planting surround the whole of the sun and come back out there.
Alright, yeah, now okay, so you have to come in, yeah?
Alright, I'm so for hour. The people we are the people we are walk go further up the road there, so let's see what I go on. I will still see farm and you want to know my people. Yeah man. Want to support when the man come at town come sell him thing them say. Only for cassava. Cassava, acres of cassava. Straight back around the catch up there, so. This is that cassava, pan cassava people. And you have the river over here, so. The river there over here, so now the water come down. You know, and supply the land two sides. Yeah man. Look on that beauty, my people. Look on the hilltop up there, sir. Wow. Look at that. That is it, my people. Yeah, I wonder if you see one partition here, sir. Right here, sir. But the one them could have walked there and go around. But I'm not sure. So I don't want this try now, man. My peeps. Yeah, see the water, the irrigation system there, my people. Yeah, right there say water come through. Yeah, the water come through right here, so. So we have a look. So this is the gully. The gully is the river. The channel where the water come down through. Circulate the whole farm. Yeah, but now we go further around. Around here, so. And see. Kind of show now what going. So, as you can see, these are cassava. Young cassavas. You know, soon enough they'll be ready to harvest. This look like one now. Oh, that's a weed. These are young cassava people. So this is how cassava look. So I want to have an understanding This is irrigation hose, you know. Water come up, sprinkle the whole farm. So, all of this a cassava go straight back up some people. Yeah man, rows and rows and layers of cassava. As you can see, rainfall often here, so yeah man, so you know the water always dry. No, water can't dry. Yeah man. Yeah, we always have the river. So far St. Thomas is a beautiful parish, you know, people, garden parish. Look here now. In a sense, and this, you know, them same something that them use and preserve the beer, put in the beer, red stripe beer. Yeah man, that's preservative, and I think it's in the rum too, you know. Yeah man, I think it's in the rum too. Yeah, so this is one of the supplier who supply, you know. People who create the beer and the rum, for example, my people. Yeah man, that is it. So, in general, there, you know.
Yo! No, I can't do much interview.
Oh. The people up on the farm there today, as I can see, look up there, sir. There's a lady control the whole of this. There's a lady actually a plant this in a place. So you see a onion there whole line, sir? So this is a onion farm, peeps. See the pump up there, sir. Pump the water. So we have come with the people, we have to go up there, sir. There's some banana tree over here, sir. Not sure if I the same one banana I'm saying from now, but it looks like a normal banana tree. That tree looks sweet. So a planting tree, please, my mistake. Oh yeah, yeah, planting a tree, yeah. Yeah. That look like the Rakatan plant, you know, people. It's big. Yeah. So, see, it's an onion farm. So I go up the road, that's a number of people. Stick and stay and watch what I go on.
You go so and drop back grassy. Come on. All of them journey, I take on by foot already. One mile fit across over there, so.
Really mind.
What, two, you know? Yeah. On the cross, I want the down there. In them drive, collect the man.
You know, sir?
Yeah, it's where them drive. That's why and the man, they take out the man, they now fix the road.
Now fix the road. Sure.
So you're there for your day, and you're 30, 40 truck to pick up.
Not one of them with a backhoe and push off the road.
If I drop it on the scatter.
Sure. You know that? You know what you're saying?
Yeah, man. But I go park over here, man, at 250 acres.
250 acres, this people say that. Take a good look.
250 acres. Right on the banks of the plant garden.
At the rich part of the river you have 7.
Yeah, man. The most fertile side is this side of the island.
Yeah,
People as far as the
yeah,
eye can see now, cassava, I'm that tell you from before. But this is our onion farm.
Yeah, man.
And it's located right next to the PG River Fields.
PG, yeah.
Same place where we and JJ they go catch fish there.
Yeah,
So in
man.
that river there be people.
PG, flood out again, all water will come out of them places at Jamaica.
Me feel so you know gotta.
So I know.
That's
Jamaica,
true.
them place that watch we already back in our history, man.
Yeah, it tell me with the
Yeah,
Egypt flood.
You see me? Egypt flood. Anyone can type in Egypt flood.
The people want to go live and reach so far and the vlog, you know.
Jamaica come up.
Want to go type in the Egypt flood
Yeah.
and take a look up the Egypt flood.
See,
Yeah.
come check out.
Wow, so my niece and peeps.
Nothing. Did you go all the way up there?
No, stop.
But how much steps did it take? Minimum.
Quite a few. About 20 steps to 30 steps. Not go that far. I was just asking some questions about the farm.
To who?
The guy in the black.
Yeah.
Down in the river, yeah. This is a river coast. Where you draw the water from, you know? Yeah, man. See my niece there. Catching some pickles. That is it. I realize the water the boy has an onion farm this in a Kelsey. Onion that they use and season up your meat is an onion farm. This.
It's an onion farm?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Short beer. So when I say short beer, explain to the people what you mean by when you say short beer.
Yeah, man, on the short beer season, the things them beer short, a human being, everything in the earth, species, everything. The cycle of the short beer now, Jamaican, it's 2 times of the year, the climate change with long and short.
Okay.
Seeing, so watch out. October, the 22nd of September, the time of change again, go back to short day. So anything you plant, if for instance you plant a coconut tree, so you can come drink jelly or fight before it grow out of your side. But when you plant it on the long day season, worse the March and April and now go back down to the May, it will go tall over here
Before you can eat no fruit.
Yeah. So long day and short day. And in a short day time now, Jamaican, woman have fitness 7 months. Some people call it premature, but nothing no premature. Good baby born, 7 months Jamaican. Short day period. Long month, long day, 10 months. You know it go
9
already.
months, yeah, 10
And then I count the months.
The people decide planting, you see that?
Them are going like they don't want to count the months.
Ready
the
for
woman
it.
get pregnant.
So at 10 months, that's true, you know, got
So you see the difference of this and that.
Yes, this is a long day plan. People, and this is a short day plan. Yeah. Yeah, especially the horse plant, that's what I'm calling it. So we have to come back running now when the onion and them get active. Yeah, we see it.
Of course, you don't go on one man.
One good man.
Alright.
One kitchen, me have no work.
Take in it and I think I suck up for brother. Plant sucker, you know?
People where they got plant, we get a plant and suck up for the plant.
Yeah, man, I start my little farm.
I started for you with those beans.
Yeah, but I reap the beans them already.
Yeah, but I planted them.
But I reap them.
But I was the one who planted them.
Not hurt you, man. No me your father, man. Nothing wrong with them, man.
I just want to take some credit here.
But you don't know where you go? mean, man. Big man thing. I like the black thing too, too. I go buy some camera every month in a phone. We don't camera make one black, yeah?
Alright. People see it there.
Yeah, but
Alright, that's how it's come.
I'm just gonna
Short day one that, that's all.
yeah, man, short here.
Short day planting that is.
Fully active.
This one I know what I did. We gotta have it. People see river coast there, you know. That's all the water come from. And a river, channel. It's just a canal, yeah, my mistake, people. It's just a channel, a little canal. You know, supply water. Never dry yet. What kind of bush that got? I know this. People were there, look at me, see now. Cocks are run through.
What was that? She up here,
People there try to go up on the road.
You say if your niece never know your niece and fish you have an uncle and vlogger. What your Bridget?
I know you say you're sitting down here, man.
How do you want? Yeah, how do you want? The Stefano status. Virgin, Jamaican. No disrespect Jamaican. You see it? So that's why when we tell them and then say we don't want certain things for our channel, we don't want them. Turn the camera up on me. We don't want them think a joke we make. Look for my beautiful niece. You my people. Oh you mean? And she go share with her friend them. Don't Jamaica to start share already because they start see it for their status Jamaican. Jamaican at them best TV. One Jamaican at them best TV. My people we out here. Remember, you know, my people, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend, tell a family to tell a family that Godfrey has won and Jamaican at them best TV. Out here as always.
That is it.
Thumbs up.
That is it. People, I want to go up the road there, so now. I'm giving a small tour.
Yeah, man.
Some more locations for the property.
Farm in the area. Yeah, man.
That's one of the hidden gems them of Jamaica people, people that know about because them not really come them side.
Sure.
So people if you don't like how they say when they want to come tour with me, you know.
Flatland and farming, whole heap.
Yes,
so
man.
Farming go on the side, I see and we brother. On the whole 200 odd acre almost. You get me right now, see? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. And plant pumpkin whole heap, cassava whole heap, potato whole heap.
Yeah, I see plant the same. And in general, say a cane used to plant on the whole
that whole property that a from slavery coming down before I even Eastern banana walk. Because when I tell you about Eastern banana walk, you know, man. Some good quality people used to work at Eastern, you know. You supervisor how much in soup, how much in farm.
You know me hear the name there already, but I can't recall.
Cut up and you have like apple farm, you have another, you know what I mean?
Where hear the name there already, but me never quite sure
big,
when hear.
Big, gone back to Golden Grove, gone back to Upso, Bath, near Bath, be a banana Jamaican, be a banana. You saw me I dealing, and I saw them have the cable them in the property now. So anyway, then cut the banana from them. You have a man where they say that man buck banana. So when they hook
Oh,
up the
scale,
cable
man.
them, yeah, and you see that man, a seal cable a come down all 100 banana or more each up on cable.
A swing a come
down
like.
a banana house in a Jamaican. Yeah man, round here used to me, I tell you man. A morning time in my community when Eastern truck a pass, seeing that it have to come up like early to pick up workers. Eastern truck pick up workers from all over Jamaica. Just believe what I tell you, from Portland I come down, you get what I mean?
Yeah,
Other
man.
people migrate to the parish just to work at Eastern.
So it was a main source of
It
employment
was a
then.
main source of employment because it employed thousands of people.
Feed whole heap of belly.
Thousands of people.
Feed whole
I
heap
not
of
just
people.
now exaggerate, my brother.
But
That's
that's
something
the
we
truth,
can
not
see
the
as
problem.
youth coming. Yes. Yeah, man. Thousands of people Eastern used to feed. Mr. Breaking. General,
Yeah, and them there again on the side, you know.
tell me something about Eastern, man, where my brother understand what Eastern was like.
Eastern Banana Estate.
Yeah. What people used to work around here, my brother.
And 10,000
Alright. So my
10,000.
brother, eh? Rotational.
10,000 people rotation.
So you know what
So
that
it
means.
feed a whole heap of people.
Thank you.
during harvesting time.
You
You could have called the number of persons that were here during harvesting time.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So Virgin, them production here were
But
locked
then
down
it
in
was
the
the main
country.
source of
Main
employment.
source of employment and income
Most people.
for people.
On this
Get
side.
poor people and get. And me general, this one you can't give account for. It's just St. Thomas alone Eastern used to cater for. Me mean people in a Jamaica. Example.
Yeah, the establishment like this.
Turn the camera upon them when them on.
So the establishment like this here, there was one in St. Mary, partner farm. So here you have
Okay.
St. Mary
Yeah.
banana
St. Mary banana chips.
chips. Yeah,
Okay.
man, this is the partner farm. Same company.
Oh. So them just make it look like I St. Mary alone have a lot of banana.
Yeah, but
Yeah,
this
yeah,
was
so
the
the mother.
original.
Yeah,
This was the banana
So
headquarters.
Eastern Banana Estate, St.
Yeah.
Mary banana.
Yes. This was the estate and them would have the banana.
Yeah, man. So this entire place,
Have
there
a
are
whole
roads
heap
right
of
through this property.
Roads, yeah, right through.
Not tracking a road.
Roads
Them,
that
yeah,
they drive.
good driving road.
Yeah, man, I was just drive come and I see it, man.
Are you so where I come, brother?
I go
No,
further.
don't turn back. Don't turn back.
Alright. Yo, we passed a big tree already, you know, man. That's good
You
country.
just show them banana there.
Windbreaker.
Windbreaker.
Yeah. They always plant on the edge of it to save the banana.
Okay,
So when it breeze,
so much
that's why I'm calling it windbreaker.
Oh, so people, these are windbreaker. They plant them on the edge of the field.
Then can
You can
eat.
fry and make chips.
Okay.
Yeah. But you hear what the purpose of them Jamaican,
For-
they plant them to save the bigger
For cut the wind.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh. So it have its purpose, God, then.
You know, brother?
We say it have its
It have
purpose.
a purpose. Me tell you, man, remember me that tell you say it have a purpose to it.
Yeah,
It's just
it
to
have
know
its purpose
Jamaican.
with people.
And you see how easy it is. Alright. Yeah, man, but Christmas rock there on one of them hillside there, you know.
Yeah, and I can see people live up there, so I can see one house. One blue house, one blue house up there, so
What
there.
they call Devil's Rock.
The people got for the devil's rock up there, so.
They're up on the mountain.
So one of them times they gotta go up a devil's rock, my people. And those are the windbreaker bananas. Right? These are the windbreaker banana, people. Them plant them on the edge of the field to save the crop. Create the breeze. So it not broke down nothing. And then not demolish anything. Yeah, so we just they are educate the people. I'm seeing some coconut on the side the same way going up.
All of them place there. So water run through the property Jamaica and any angle you can pump water from.
We realize. Yeah, man, I make you know, man, say, PG flood, that's a flood.
Yes, man. I
Oh,
say,
and all the while them PG flood, there's a flood, you know.
eh?
And all the while them PG flood.
As me say, if rain like where me see fall even when me a boy like when rain come up on PG bridge. You remember I first
water
bridge?
come up on the
Yeah, then water them and check the height of the water there. Don't you them? Hey, I remember telling you, you know, you know what it is.
Congo, this paper. Yeah, man, Congo paper.
So I used to be there, boy. I used to look like that. Spray me, to come do two then. Yeah, watch me that side, just spray the rain hit you.
It come up back. Oh, so your farm coming straight back to up there, sir?
Yeah, man, so right to that concrete fence,
Yeah.
there's a canal there right next to you.
Oh, I kind of figure.
Canal
Canal, on canal part.
Catch that.
So you see, it's quite a lot of things.
So it's a canal part, go straight back up, sir. You're good, man.
Every plant have one for left and one right.
Okay.
So that means I know even the soil stay rich for hand.
Yeah, because you have abundance of water
How
ever
much you locked down?
circulating.
Charger.
Rich same way.
Rich same way and full of fertilizer.
Yeah, that people, if I put a woman in 6 weeks, I'm going to come back, she a breed.
No, she a whole heap of people.
No.
You see the bush there, you see down there, sir?
Yeah.
Height of them grass there. 3 weeks.
3 weeks do that.
Is nobody
You see that, my brother? 3 weeks. Just
And go
the last 3 weeks.
3 weeks.
Where you know?
Cause all of this cut down one time. On the side I get some spray, and the side I get some spray.
So watch out now, people, we just cross the fence. I'm going to come over upon the land, you know. Yes, man. So we're going to go further up. Yeah. I'm sure now I'm going. Them say a 3 week, them grass I take for grow up tall, you know, people. 3 weeks and you're last, you know, say, you know. My plan to create a driveway. See some pumpkin over here, so. Yeah, man. Somebody I cut board up there, so. Up on the hills over there, some peeps. Nice, beautiful. You know, you can come enjoy and say people tour with me. We have a circle Kuno party, you know, man. Whole heap of fruit tree place. The place fruitful. And you have a canal part over here so the water be. You know? So far, yeah, it's been a nice day and we have gungo up to the front. You know? We have some gungo up to the front up here, so. And yeah, and see, it looks like, yeah. It's a plant in there, you know? Pumpkin. See that? More pumpkin peeps. See that people? Pumpkin. Some more pumpkin again. We're not doing all my people. You feel it, man? Pumpkin again, peeps. Pumpkin. Yeah, all of this. A pumpkin, this is not a pumpkin though. Yeah, man, so we have tractor. You see? Pumpkin vine. And this is a pumpkin one. This goes straight up back, bro.
No. One acre pumpkin. Then crop on cucumber the other side.
Okay. The people what are this pumpkin and cucumber. I say over there so tall. 3 weeks what I got started. Only a green door people, so you know the soil rich and the land full of water. Everything green, all this in a brown. The land blessed. Yeah, man, see coconut tree there, man. That's true. One of them load. One of coconut tree there, people. Load, man. Load bad, see one burn out, that's all. One more burn out, that's all. 2, 3 of them that. There's some gungo up on the end of the field there. But the thing that nobody's not going to put them over there again. That's right there, Patoles and Spinman. That's right. The peeps can see have some gungo peas.
I picked them. It was only one.
So you're going to plant a gungo peas?
Yeah.
You believe that, brother?
Yeah, I believe right. Not so much I have.
I'm a good planter.
You're a good planter?
I'm sure when they grow up and when they get rich, yeah?
Alright.
I'm going to monitor that progress with you. Yeah, come on,
This will come.
One time at Daddy's house, I grew some peas for him, and then he reaped them and he ate them.
Okay. Good girl. I don't know. The people, that's the more windbreak a banana up there. Yeah, man, they're going to spin around and then go back down the road. So this guy goes straight back around, so as them say. And everywhere turn is a drive-through road,
In
people.
2 weeks time when we come back to Jamaica.
Drive-through.
early.
Yeah, man. It,
I start from the river.
See the Jamaican maca bird fruit. Jamaican. The maca bird fruit a year castle in a Jamaican. Somewhere, somehow, you know. You
people
understand?
are maca
You see what
breadfruit.
me are dealing.
So try them say I'm going to find them breadfruit.
Maca. And they find them all about, man. But what me I say from it, my brother tell me who give them a year castle. So me
Okay.
know say from
So,
me have enough breadfruit a rock brook. So me need to go get some breadfruit Jamaican.
that is it.
So Jonah check in before the season over. I over 40 or 3, then can't done them. That's what I deal with. They're not great army. Knowledge of power. Respect. I may drop off a one tree up a rock brook there, you know. So anybody feel like they want to force me this year, I got jet for me drop off. You know, must wake up back like me, you know.
Trouble
So,
there.
how then look my people, in a time where you don't know where fruit, then just a fit up here now when you Castro. Castro, you know me I call a Castro. Come put on this, let me get papaya. I don't know you want to appeal. Got catch that I go and let us see papaya appeal.
People pan a papaya huge.
What would I say, brother, put up back there, so we don't take the car, carry the food and down in them still car, drain there, not the door.
Papaya, the big dog of that.
But now I tell you, man, you're just so far from it.
Oh, I catch a fire shot
See
for
how
it.
we move? Clear from bad, you know, for a cousin of a coaster. Show me your car.
Sweet.
See, yeah. You can't make a move, come and roof, come live. Over part tree can grow.
That is it.
You soon get your slide. You show people them.
Brother, no want to.
Casey, I want a piece of papaya.
One go. Yeah. Can't turn to okay to no more.
Oh.
Fly chunk them, get on board. Me,
The people them are the closing of the video now. Yeah, when I from my last China. I go for go in and all son I said. What that's all. One man quark with them. The people that way in the hills, the St. Thomas to the people. Yeah man, with a golden grove as I can see. Beer breeze look like rain are gonna fall one at a time to people looking at the sky, you see that? Yeah man. Yeah, so over there, check out the farm them over here so now. Some nice farm boy here, people. Nice activity to just stick and stay and watch out. Man. I take a tour of the farm. Man. Yeah. That is it. And then now we are going to go up so. Go up so